Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money by watching YouTube videos using Swagbucks. If you've never heard of Swagbucks before, it's an online rewards program that allows users to earn points or Swagbucks by completing various tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, and more. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the Watch section of Swagbucks and how you can earn Swagbucks by simply watching YouTube videos. Step 1. Sign up for Swagbucks. To start earning Swagbucks, you'll need to sign up for an account with Swagbucks. Signing up is easy and completely free. All you need to do is go to swagbucks.com and create an account. You'll also receive a $5 bonus just for signing up, which is a great way to start earning right away. Step 2. Navigate to the Watch section. Once you're signed up, you can start earning Swagbucks by watching videos. To do this, go to the Earn tab at the top of the page and select Watch from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Watch section of Swagbucks, where you'll see a list of videos that you can watch to earn Swagbucks. Step 3. Choose a video. Now, it's time to choose a video to watch. Swagbucks offers a variety of videos that you can watch, including ads, movie trailers, news clips, and more. Simply browse through the videos and select the one that interests you. Each video has a different amount of Swagbucks that you can earn, which will be displayed next to the video. Step 4. Watch the video and earn Swagbucks. Once you've selected a video to watch, it's time to start earning Swagbucks. Click on the video to start playing it and watch it all the way through. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom of the screen that shows you how much of the video you've watched and how many Swagbucks you've earned. It's important to note that you can't skip or fast forward through the video if you want to earn Swagbucks. You'll need to watch the entire video to earn the Swagbucks. Once the video is finished, you'll receive your Swagbucks, and they will be added to your account. Step 5. Repeat the process. Now that you've earned Swagbucks from one video, it's time to watch another one. Repeat the process by selecting a new video from the list and watching it all the way through. You can continue doing this as many times as you want to earn as many Swagbucks as you can. Step 6. Redeem your Swagbucks for rewards. Once you've earned enough Swagbucks, you can redeem them for a variety of rewards. Swagbucks offers a huge range of rewards, including gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon and Walmart, PayPal Cash, and even merchandise. To redeem your Swagbucks, go to the Rewards section of Swagbucks and select the reward that you want. Tips for earning more Swagbucks. If you want to earn even more Swagbucks by watching videos, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Watch videos in playlists. Swagbucks offers playlists of videos on various topics, such as entertainment, news, and sports. By watching videos in these playlists, you can earn Swagbucks more efficiently, as you can earn a certain number of Swagbucks by completing the entire playlist. Use the Swag button. Swagbucks offers a browser extension called the Swag button, which can help you earn more Swagbucks while you browse the internet. With the Swag button, you can earn Swagbucks by shopping online, searching the web, and even by watching videos. You can download the Swag button for free on the Swagbucks website. Watch videos on multiple devices. You can earn Swagbucks by watching videos on your desktop computer, laptop, smartphone, or tablet. By watching videos on multiple devices, you can earn more Swagbucks and reach your rewards faster. Take advantage of Swaggo. Swaggo is a game on Swagbucks that offers bonus Swagbucks for completing certain tasks. These tasks can include watching a certain number of videos or completing a survey. Swaggo is available periodically, so be sure to check the Swagbucks website to see when it's available. So there you have it, that's how you can make money by watching YouTube videos using Swagbucks. It's a simple and easy way to earn some extra cash or rewards, and it can be a fun way to spend your free time. Remember to watch videos in playlists, use the Swag button, watch videos on multiple devices, and take advantage of Swaggo to earn even more Swagbucks. Thanks for watching, and happy earning.